Does a reference need to be fit to giraffe head? You haven't answered my question. That's absolutely impossible. In this world, there is nothing impossible other than impossibility. It's to put this refrigerator is open the refrigerator, put the giraffe in, close the door. You only have to answer how, not even the dimension needed by the refrigerator. Now, answer this question. How do you put a hippo in the refrigerator? And now I can answer it. Open the refrigerator, put in the hippo in, or close the refrigerator. You lack consultation, so your answer is very, very wrong. There's still a giraffe in the refrigerator, right? The answer is open the refrigerator, take out the giraffe, put the hippo in, close the refrigerator. My question is, what is the purpose of putting giraffe and hippos in the refrigerator? The goal is for you to look all day long. Wak, 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 wak.